This is a short introduction to Drawspace.com. Drawspace provides lessons authored by world-renowned artists and educators. It features 388 art lessons for beginners and advanced learners designed to enhance mental acuity, observation skills, and creativity. To begin, click the Start Learning button. If you have not yet registered, register for free access and then sign in to use the site. Once you have logged in, you have access to the free resources. Click Lessons. The first free lesson is Getting Started with Drawing. It starts with a glossary of art terms. So let's click on the glossary. The art terms can be viewed online, can be downloaded to your Kindle, downloaded as a PDF file, or downloaded as an EPUB. So let's look at View Online. The terms are provided in alphabetical order. You may choose to download as a PDF file and select specific terms. You might want to create games using the terms that you are going to be focusing on for the day. Or you may simply post them in your classroom for easy access as needed. So we're going to close the terms and go back to the lesson and scroll down to the second part of the lesson. So once you understand your glossary terms, you may want to look at drawing tips, styles, and secrets. You have shortcuts for drawing with symmetry, transferring an image to drawing paper, illustrative and traditional realism, terrific tips for artists, and where realism and fantasy meet. There are 5 lessons in this section. 1.3, Drawing from Line to Line Beginner, has 25 lessons. So let's click to see what you can expect there. Once again, you will choose your option for viewing the lesson. Here's a sample of an image that you might draw. So we're going to click on View Online. Here you will find your artist and the tutorial for the section. Throughout the lesson, you will find the materials that you will need to complete the lesson, the images that you will be drawing, and strategies for beginning the process. The process is continued throughout the activity. So we've looked at glossary of terms, 1.2 drawing tips, 1.3 drawing from line to life for beginners, introduction to contour drawing, which has 42 lessons, identifying straight lines, drawing from one point to another, identifying curved lines, draw simple and compound curved lines, and drawing shapes with a long curved line. 2.2, drawing on your brain, 43 lessons. 3.1, introduction to shading. 3.2, shading textures. 4.1, introduction to perspective and composition. 5.1, drawing on the masters. Art appreciation and history. Self-discovery through art. Drawing people from faces to figures. Drawing on the animal kingdom. And the list goes on. You may choose any of the free activities to be used in your lessons. These lessons can be aligned with your current content, or you may choose to have it used as an extension activity for your students who are at the advanced levels. You also have discussions that you may choose to participate in, or you may simply decide to select one of the topics and use some other app to support discussions within your classrooms. Your topics are from a broad range that are related to drawing, art in general, and art education. You have a welcome form which you will go in and introduce yourself. You may choose to go to the support and suggestions link to ask or answer questions about technical issues. The Drawspace Cafe provides informal virtual gathering space for off-topic discussions. You may want to upload your work and have it critiqued, or you may simply want to review the work of others. You might want to participate in drawing challenges and participate in group drawing projects. You can create an album of your own. And you can also read live posts. Drawspace is an excellent site for both the beginning and the advanced artist. Explore it to see how you can bring art to life in your classroom.